MEG07, Indian English Literature. So Indian English Literature. In Indian English Literature, we will read the text, stories, novels. We have a drama, some poetry written by Indian people. Okay, so Indian English literature is formed by the literary work of Indian people, Indians who have written in English. So it is called Indian English literature. Means English novels, English dramas, English poetry written by Indians in English language. So it is Indian English literature. So total we have around 10 texts in our syllabus. Among them, from my point of view, few are important from your examination point of view. You can also note it down if you are interested. I am going to tell you names of some novels, drama. In fact, in MEG07 only one drama we have. Okay. In rest of the blocks we have novels and poetry. So first you can write. We will take up in this session. First, you can write Untouchable, written by Mulk Raj Anand. Untouchable is a novel written by Mulk Raj Anand. He is a very famous Indian English writer who wrote this novel while living abroad, who felt the plight of downtrodden people or lower class people in India, and he sympathized with these people and he tried to surface the agony, misery, sufferings, psychological plight of these people in this novel Untouchable. Before going to write this novel, means before going to get published finally, Mulk Raj Anand came to India and he spent some time around a period of 1 month or more than 1 month in Gujarat at Sabarmati Ashram of Mahatma Gandhi, and he discussed all his problems while writing this novel with Mahatma Gandhi ji. And on the advice of Mahatma Gandhi ji, he cut off the actual novel Untouchable on the advice of Mahatma Gandhi. Of novel we have Kannapura. Kannapura. It's a novel written by Rajarao. Rajarao is also very famous figure in Indian English literature. In fact, Mulk Raj Anand, Rajarao and R.K. Narayan, these three are milestone in English literature, and they are also known as the Trinity. That's like, in our Hindu religion, in the same way here, these three writers, Mulk Raj Anand, Rajarao and R.K. Narayan, are also considered as Trinity. In Kannapura, Rajarao compared the national politics with the characters of Ramayana. Okay. Next, you can write third novel. Title is Midnight's Children. Midnight's Children. It is penned down by Salam Rasheed in 1981. Midnight's Children, written by Salam Rasheed in 1981. So here in this novel we will find a strange thing. In fact, Salam Rasheed also wrote this novel while sitting abroad. He tried to surface the pain of immigrants who are Indians who migrated to other countries. Before leaving India, they promised that in abroad they will, earn some name and fame, but just because of racism, or because of some other problem, they feel very tough or difficult to survive in abroad. But just because of shame, they cannot come back to India. How they would face their family members, because before leaving India, they made big promises. But now all their dreams are shattered, means they are unable to bear the pain caused by racism living in abroad, nor they can come back to India. So in this way, here Salman Rushdie tries to surface the agony, misery, problems of immigrants who are Indians. Besides it, Salman Rushdie has used an innovative technique. In fact, he has given some fake dates related to Indian history, just like the date of independence and the dates of other movements that were started during or before the independence of India, when India was struggling to get its independence from Britishers. So here Salman Rushdie has mentioned some fake dates, and he says that he is not responsible for giving this date because he has assigned a narrator to narrate the story of this novel. So he says that it is the mistake of narrator. So he doesn't get ready to take all the blames on himself. He says that it is the mistake of narrator. So this is the new technique in which a writer can easily escape himself from such kind of mistakes that he has made, or yes, he made. Salman Rushdie, in fact, Midnight Children, this novel is related to the children who were born in the night of on the night of 14th August 1947. Okay, on this momentum hour around 12 a.m. at night, the children who were born, the title is directly related to these children, Midnight Children, who were around 1001. Midnight Children, written by Salman Rushdie. In this novel, we will also read about the people who went to Pakistan that time. Students are seeking permission to enter the class. Okay. Next we have a play, Tara, T-A-R-A, Tara. This is the title of our only play we have in this paper, MEG07. Tara is written by Mahesh Dattani. It is based on gender discrimination. We have only one play in MEG7 and its title is Tara, T-A-R-A, Tara. It is written by Anita Desai. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
So we have only one play. We have some poetry also in MEG7. We have poetry written by Torudat, Nizim Ezekiel, Kamla Das. I advise you that in poetry section, you must select poems written by Torudat. The poems written by Torudat, among them one is Our Casuarina Tree. It's important. By Nizim Ezekiel, Enterprise. It's important. Kamla Das, written by Kamla Das. The title of poem is Introduction. These poems are very, very important. Mostly questions comes, means annotation comes in examination from these poems. Yes. Better speak loudly. Ma'am, will you please repeat the important poems? Sure, beta. You can write. Our Casuarina Tree, composed by Torudat. Our Casuarina Tree, okay, composed by Torudat. Another title of the poem is Enterprise. Enterprise, composed by Nizim Ezekiel. Okay, ma'am. And third one is Introduction. Introduction, composed by Kamla Das. Okay. And the next one? I think first of all, go through these poems, then we will take up the section of poetry. I will tell you later. Okay, okay. So today I have suggested you some titles or names of some novels. Clear Light of Day is also a novel written by Anita Desai. She also lives in abroad. Mahesh Dattani's Tara, it is based on gender discrimination. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me. Because tomorrow we will take up Untouchable, written by Mulk Rajanand. We will start our MEG07 with this novel. So I advise all my students who are present in this class, at least go through the summary of this novel Untouchable, so that we would be able to discuss things in class tomorrow. As you are PG students, so it's not sufficient for you to know only summary or character sketch or characters. These things are not enough for you. Are you getting it? Yes. If you go through at least summary and note the characters, so it will help a lot for our discussion in class tomorrow. Okay? So without knowing the summary, it would be not possible for me to start the discussion in the class. Right? Okay, ma'am. So today is our introductory class. Introductory in the sense, introduction of the syllabus I have given you. The students who have received their study material, they can also tell the titles of other novels we have in our syllabus of MEG07. Who will tell us?
Hi, we have Kannapura by Rajarao, and different multiple short stories. And I think that's about the other novels.
In short stories, you must go through Fourth Daughter. In short stories, okay, you must go through Fourth Daughter. It's also based on gender discrimination. The writers who means before we should say poet, writers, novelist who belongs to pre-independence era. Their themes of their literary works are entirely different from the works of writers who belong to post-independence era. So when we will take up all these blocks of MEG07, we will find this difference. And we will also discuss these things in class. Okay? Besides discussing some characters, we will also discuss title, themes, plot, and contribution of the poet or of the writer to the English literature, Indian English literature, techniques, structure, language. We will discuss many more things in our class, except our summary and character sketches. So again, I want to advise all my students for tomorrow's class, do some preparation, go through at least summary, no characters of Untouchable, written by Rajarao. Okay? So it's homework for all of you. I hope everyone will do it. So
yes, ma'am.
We will meet in next
Definitely.
class. Okay? Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's my pleasure.
There will be how many classes?
Total we will have 10 classes. Okay.
And then they will be on every day.
Same time, yeah. No, not on